Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Okay, today we're going to look at a housing complex on Upper Montrose. This complex is famous because the persons that built it were not supposed to build a housing complex in this area. The title says they're not supposed to build townhouses or apartment buildings in this area. But they went ahead and built it, and the courts got involved. The residents took the contractor to court, and the court ruled that the complex, the townhouses, were in violation of the title or the covenants, and they were not supposed to build it. The judge went further to say, okay, this is a complex in front of us, that the complex should be demolished, and that was a ruling of the court. But as you can see, it's still here. Let's take a look. I think it's gone to the appeals court, but we'll see what happens, if anything at all happens. But this area prohibits, the title prohibits townhouses from being built. Okay, so that's the complex. I don't remember the number, but it's something Upper Montrose. So in Jamaica, a lot of construction is going on that violates, I shouldn't say violates, that is a breach. A breach is a better word, or the title or the covenants for the area, but it continues. So it will be interesting to see what happens with this complex. Let's take a look at the area. This is known as the Golden Triangle area. It's Montrose Avenue and Upper Montrose in Ligani. As you can see, there are no other townhouse complexes in the immediate area of this one. And this complex is actually finished and fully occupied. Persons bought into it. Not sure if they knew what was going on, but it's occupied. People live in there. So I don't know. Court said to demolish it, but it's still there. One of the things with the law in Jamaica is the judge makes a ruling, and then you can appeal it. That takes a couple years, and then after you get the verdict from the appeals court, you can go to the Privy Council, which is in England, and that's very expensive. So what you find is people that have money usually exploit the justice system, because the neighborhood association or the residents put together and took the contractor to court. So I'm sure that cost a lot of money, and then now they have to go through the whole appeals process. And even if they win, if the residents win, the contractor can go to the Privy Council, which is very expensive, and clearly I'm not sure if the residents have that kind of money to take it all away. And so that is how people take advantage of the legal system in Jamaica. And of course, the legal system moves very slow, extremely slow. Okay, this is Seymour Avenue now, which is clearly there are a lot of townhouses on this road, but these titles probably have a different covenants on it. So apparently townhouses are allowed over here. Okay, we're coming up to the intersection of Hopefield Avenue and Seymour Avenue. So we're going to turn right onto Hopefield, and you're going to see almost every parcel of land up here has townhouses on it. On the left, on the right, straight ahead, all townhouses. This is actually a very popular area in St. Andrew, known as the Golden Triangle. On the right is Campion College, which is the number 2 school in Jamaica. Immaculate Conception High School for girls is the number 1 school. Campion is the number 2 school. Campion is a co-ed school, both boys and girls. As you can see where the zinc fences construction is going on. And I'm sure it's more townhouses. Okay, this is Campion College on the right. Straight ahead is Hope Road. So we're currently on Hopefield Avenue, and we're going to turn left onto Hope Road. Okay, so this is Hope Road now. On the right is the Total building. That's the Total gas station company. The official name is Total Energies. So we're on Hope Road, heading towards the Halfway Tree area. On the left is the Citibank building, or Citibank head office, the branch. On the right, coming up, is the Bob Marley Museum. Very nice museum. It tells you about the life of Bob Marley. I recommend everybody should visit it at some point. Okay, we're now coming up to the intersection of Hope Road and East King's House Road and Lady Musgrave Road. So if we continue straight, we stay on Hope Road. If we turn left, we go on to Lady Musgrave Road, and if we turn right, which we're doing, we're going on to East King's House Road. And directly in front of us is the entrance to King's House. That's the official residence of the Governor General. On the left is the property for King's House. So we're on East King's House Road, heading towards Barbican.